Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's take a look again on the gold market. So here mostly everything remains the same. So currently market in general preparing to get the results of the Fed July meeting. So today we'll get the protocol, Fed minutes, maybe it will shed some light on opinions of the Fed members on the current economy situation, Fed policy and so on. But in general situation remains the same. Gold keeps bullish context. Yes, there is some background for possible minor technical retracement, just because on the dollar index price has hit some target. On euro currency market stands slightly overbought, so some technical response is possible. On euro currency you can see, on the gold market you can see also that 127 target has been reached that we discussed yesterday, and actually pullback we have expected to get yesterday. But market still was flirting around for some time, spending some time here around the target, and only today is turning to some downside action. At the same time, I have to say that on other markets you could see that situation remains positive for the gold. You could see minor butterfly has been completed, actually the same as on the gold. Here's just 1618 extension. Some pullback background exists, but take a look at the action. Tail closing 3 days in a row. Market was closing right in the lows. This is bearish sign. Take a look at the 10-year bonds. Yields keep dropping once again. Almost tail closing, or better to say even indeed tail closing here yesterday. Some kind of the bearish dynamic pressure. Grabbers are still here. So it's just taken out of this low, so you could easily imagine here the butterfly or something. All the stuff stands favored for the gold. Geopolitical situation can't get total relief. It's just because Iran keep its hazard valid, keeping the overall situation and tension warm. So it's also not everything clear with this. All this create the positive background, moderately positive for the gold. But as I said, technical response might happen, and actually this is great because we need good support areas to take the new long position in the gold market, and maybe this target particular will become the reason for that. On lower time frame and 4-day frame chart, I would consider the same two levels. So if you remember, we talked about the first level 24.95, but 24.70 seems just perfect. Just we have this lower border of the triangle and has been broken right there, and also intraday confidence support. If we'll get pulled back to this area, this might be really great. Here's a tricky moment exists, guys, that we have bullish grabber right there. So I'm not excluding the chance where market could try to flirt around, try and take top here first, because gold's really cunning before retracement indeed will start. So this performance might happen. Just keep an eye on it. Actually, we are not planning to take any shorts, so this is not really dangerous to us because we're just waiting for good levels to buy. But if you plan some intraday intraday trades, maybe on the bearish side, be aware of this pattern. It is not erased yet, so market stands still above these lows. Potentially it is valid, and that could bring not good surprises for scalp traders, for those who trade on the 15-minute chart, for example. This might be some increasing volatility and some spikes and flirting around the top is possible, just due to this grabber. As a thing to keep an eye on. On the hourly chart, you could see that market even hasn't broken, shot some tactical bullish performance. So we see high lows, high tops, no reversal swings has been formed. Market still stands in a tight range. Still a question whether we will get this pullback or not. Hopefully we will get it. Levels that to watch what we already discussed. Here is minor divergence exists. So you can see that minor technical background exists for a possible pullback. That's why in the current circumstances, and due to the other reasons that I just described, it makes sense to wait and see what will happen. So if we will get this drop to 24.70, all the better. So there might be a really good chance to consider taking the new long position.